Before going into the video, if you want to see more contents like this one, then be sure to subscribe. So in one of my very recent video, I have talked about top 5 most popular applications that you must avoid right now. And on that list, Shareit was one of them. So you guys asked me on that video, like, what should we use instead of Shareit then? So what should we use? Then I thought, okay, let me share my personal favorite one that I have been using for last 3-4 months, because Shareit and Xender, both of them are same things. I haven't been using that with my Android devices because the ads were very irritating, but this one is like very good. You don't even need to install any application. It is very simple, very easy, and no ads, very simple. So the application is called Snapdrop. Here you can see Snapdrop. So it's very simple. You can use the same thing on your Android phone, iPhone, iPads, computers, or even Macs. It doesn't matter. As long as you have a browser, you can use these applications very easily. This video is not sponsored by them, so feel free. So what you have to do is very simple. Connect to the same Wi-Fi with both of your devices. Here you can see I'm connected to the same Wi-Fi with my both devices. Now you need to open any browser and just search for snapdrop.net. Here you can see snapdrop.net is on my both devices. Now what you have to do is very simple. Here you can see the avatar or the icon. Just click on that icon, and after that you can choose files, photos, whatever you want to share from your device to the other device. Now just select that files or the photo, and here you can see it's sending, and now you can download it on your other device. You can do the same thing with your other device. I hope you guys understood how to use Snapdrop. If you guys really did, be sure to subscribe, be sure to thumbs up, be sure to do whatever you want. And if you want to do the same thing on your Mac, Windows, PC, computer, laptop, doesn't matter. As long as you are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, you can share files very easily, and it's pretty fast. So that was it for this one. If you want to see more like this, be sure to subscribe.